Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I'm France. What a great Monday to be recording. I'm in the band Sound of Surrender.
Hey, what's up? It's Nick from Sound of Surrender. I play guitar. We're at SCM Studios recording with Brian Grider, a couple singles. We've been working on them for a while. I'm doing a lot of harmonized guitars because we know you guys love that and I love it. They're taking a little while though because there's a lot of shredding. So what else? Just catchy vocals, catchy pop rock. You know, everybody's gonna love it. You know?
These girls are getting a bit wild in there.
You have notes? Yeah. Pick slide before second chorus.
Right.
Second verse lead, question mark. So end solo version, end of it. Version 2, question mark. End of song, fake drums, question mark.
Cool. I feel like it's gonna make my brain explode. So you want to, as of right now, my job is to sit here and do nothing and play video games and just give him my 2 cents whenever I feel like saying you suck or it's good.
I hate it.
You sound like pussier than last time and can't get as high as you did last time.
I hate it.
And George likes his studio time and he's taking forever. Yeah, my inspiration to make my drum beat. No. Isn't there a third one too?
Did you read all the books?
No. I don't read.
What do you think France is a singer?
Good and bad. I think he has ADD.
Go ahead and cry yourself to sleep. You think that you hate me so well. You think that you hate me so well. That's George. I'm gonna kill someone if we don't move on.
Anxiety attack. Fuck. I hate bass.
I hate guitar. I'm not having any fucking fun at all. I really hate George today.
It's so frustrating. I hate all these people in this room.
I hate this job! Just take this job and shove it!
You've been pretty much at it all day. You tired? Crazy?
Yeah.
Same double?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm having a caffeine crash.
Me too.
You too?
Yeah,
You've just been sitting there sleeping. I don't know how much you filmed of me, but it's, I mean, well, first of all, what were you guys doing in that other room?
Gotta tune them drums.
You took forever to tune your drums.
How long? I wasn't
Like
paying
4
attention.
hours.
People have a fun time recording and stuff, but I don't. I just get stressed because I want to make sure everything's done perfect. Because it costs money, and
I'm
when it's done, it's going to be like that for a long time. You're going to re-record later, blah, blah, blah.
It comes hand in hand. If you want to be a musician, you gotta be poor.
And you have to have an alcohol addiction.
That's how you write songs. You get hammered.
God damn, so much cheese. It's diarrhea for sure.
Hey,
Brian's
do you guys agree with that? What are you saying? Dark?
Yeah, like
Go back to the actual chorus progression.
so much better, darker. That's what my brain was expecting.
Let's keep it. Cool.
Yeah, man.